Hello friends, it's TechMen Pat here, and today we are unboxing an iPhone XS Max 64 gig Black Edition, or rather what we Apple fans might call it is Space Gray, because hey, you know, you can't just call something a normal color, it has to be called something weirdly special. So let's get inside, let's see what's in there, and let's see what Apple gives you in this latest iteration of the iPhone. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the phone. It is larger than most phones. It is 6.5, 6.7 inches or so long, and it does have a full screen, except obviously the notch itself. So let's put that to the side and let's see what else is in this case.
Alright, we've got some pretty standard stuff. The charger, Australian obviously, the cable, and some nice headphones. These are lightning port cables, and that's really it in the box. Apple doesn't give you much, do they? So I suppose the first thing to notice is that this stuff is pretty standard with every phone. It doesn't matter what version of the phone you get, you will get the exact same items in this generation anyway. So let's have a look at it, let's unpeel it. It is actually very, very nice. It's large, but coming from the iPhone XR, which is 6.1 inches, and this one's 6.7, it's actually not that overwieldy, if I may say so myself. It's actually really, really nice. And this color is pretty much the only colors you can get. It's white, this one, and a gold-ish color. So there's not many color choices comparably to the XR line. This is an OLED screen, so the blacks are black. The pixels themselves turn off. So you can see that little white Apple logo is absolutely perfect. Apart from that, and the larger size and the extra camera, there's really not that much difference in the XR and the actual XS Max. It does have a much nicer body. The metallic body is a little bit nicer from the outside. Like, it looks nicer, but it's not actually like anything that I think a lot of people will care about. The XR's outside is very nice also. So if you are buying this phone and what you're looking at is really that nicer screen, the OLED screen, its colors are a little bit better. The blacks are darker, but the resolution is also a little bit higher, but you won't notice it unless you put it side by side.
Thanks for watching this quick unboxing of the new iPhone. We're going to get back to it and hopefully bring you guys a review of this version of the iPhone, but come on, it's just another iPhone. But we'll see if it's any different than any other iPhone that we've seen before. Probably not. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.